Hey guys, welcome. Seb Mars here. Today I'm gonna show you how to do your artwork for your YouTube channel. So first, let's go to Google. Oops. So let's go to Google. Go to YouTube. YouTube channel. Search for YouTube channel artwork template. Go to images, and then you see you have you can either take this one or this one. I like this one better, so I'll go over here, left click, copy image. Let's go to Illustrator, and we'll go to not this one, this one, Seb Mars YouTube channel art. So what you do, you paste it, you make it to the size you want your artwork. So we'll make it the same size as the artwork. And then, just to see if you're in the right dimensions, you take the opacity down. Then you take the artwork, paste it on a layer. Paste it on the layer, and you can see desktop maximum is this one, the one on the outside. The don't with the arrow will fall outside of this when we go to mobile. Desktop minimum and mobile. This over here is the desktop minimum and the mobile version, and the tablet version is 1855 by 423. So we're okay. As you can see, everything works fine. I'm in the dimension, so I want, for the desktop minimum and the mobile version, I want only my picture and the artwork for the Seb Mars and the disruptive keyword. And for the desktop max, I want the don't showing the links in my channel. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.